Gonna try and cut this little young man's hair at home. So this is what it's looking like now. Let's have a look at you from the front, son. Say hello then.
Hello.
Alright, so I'm gonna try and cut his hair from home. Trying to make it as real as it can be. With all the barbershop essentials. We've got the this cutter there, the wall, all the barbershop paraphernalia essentials, and yeah, we're good to go. So when you're ready, mate, sit with your back to the chair. So I'm gonna place this right here. Oh, we need to turn it back this way.
You should do faster.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, just oil up the clipper, make everything sharp, you know. Let me show you what I'm doing there. Kinda like I'm a pro, but just trying it to. So I'm just gonna let that oil sit through the blade. You meant to do this before and after every cut, so oil up your blades, your clippers. You wanna hold that for me, son?
Yes.
Do this with the other one as well.
And now, whoa, that's so cool. Lift up, lift it down.
Say that again?
This is cool.
You didn't even do that before.
Well, I have done it before, but I'm not
Okay, so blades are oiled up. So let's get straight into it. You ready? You want to turn it on?
No.
Oh, what are you trying to do?
I'm trying to feel when it goes up.
Oh, okay. Alright. Oh. So what I'm going to do first is just outline what I see them men's at the barbershop. Get me? I don't know. No, I'll do that with the other one, mate.
Fashion the beat.
Go like this, go like that. Oh, walk on location, show to go roger that. Go like this, oh, Nico, go like that. Hey, oh, walk on location, show to go roger that. One like this, oh, one like that. Love it how you go like that. Pay one loss, see on our flag. Go on, brush and Joey swag. Joe, Jamila. What you need for good barbershop essentials, shall I say? Good lighting, number one. That's very essential, man. So you see everything you're doing up close and personal.
Fashion the beat.
Go like this, go like that. Oh, walk on location, show to go roger that. Go like this, oh, Nico, go like that. Hey, oh, walk on location, show to go roger that. One like this, oh, one like that. Love it how you go like that. Pay one loss, see on our flag. Go on, brush and Joey swag. Joe, Jamila. Jamila, 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 Jamila.
Tell me something, why you dey one like this? I'll tell you something, why they do your back. Oh yeah, tell me something, oh, when you dey one like this. I'll tell you something, oh, why they do your back. Oh yeah, Jaja Jijo Jamila, 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 Jaja Jijo Jamila. Music is bumping, the show is flowing again. This not the dance where you do when you're winning again. Ijoya, Ijo Jamila, Omonla, Jojo Jamila. Oh Lord of mercy, when you see that booty, she make you just spend all your money. Hey, oh yeah. Ejijo Jamila, 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 Ejijo Jamila. Jamila, 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 Jamila.
Let me see. Before and after. What do you think, mate?
That one's in the back.
You guys in the back? Okay. I'm gonna get Alvin Murphy to look at the back. Turn, spin, 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 spin.